Welcome back and good morning. Happy Wednesday. Here's a look here in Greenville, Highway 1 South and Highway 82. So clouds are moving in more and more so, but at least we'll still have a little sunshine for today, but wind conditions will be getting a little bit more gusty throughout the day and heading into tomorrow. Here's a look at our watches and warnings map. So there's a wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. for tomorrow. So wind speeds will be picking up throughout the day, overnight and into tomorrow, and these are the conditions that we're dealing with ahead of the next cold front. But while we're still on the drier side, just remember to still heed local burn bans because again, we are still pretty much in a little bit of a drought around this time, but thankfully we're about to get some relief pretty soon once we have this rain moving in with this cold front. So looking at the wind speeds currently, they are picking up more so we're now at 15 miles per hour here in Greenfield, 16 in Greenwood, 13 in Clarksdale, and 14 in Pine Bluff. Cloud cover has been gradually building in within the last few hours, and again, it's going to continue to shift eastward more and more so into the Delta as the day goes on. So we're in the mid to upper 50s all around the Delta, 58 here in Greenville and Greenwood, 55 in Clarksdale and Batesville, and 57 in Vicksburg. And we're going to get into the low 70s for our high for today. Winds will be from the south around 15 to 25 miles per hour, but those wind gusts could get up to 30 miles per hour at times. And then the overnight low will be in the low 60s. We'll have mostly cloudy conditions. Could start to see some showers moving in later this evening and into the overnight hours. Winds will be from the south-southeast around 20 to 25 miles per hour, but gusting up to 30 at times. And then for our Thursday, we'll have showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be windy for tomorrow as well. A little bit more windy tomorrow than today, actually. His winds will be from the south around 20 to 25 miles per hour, then becoming westerly, southwesterly during the afternoon, and those wind gusts could range between 30 to 40 miles per hour. In some areas could possibly get up to 45 miles per hour at times for tomorrow. So speaking of the winds, that's associated with that slight risk for severe weather. So one of the possibilities of that is damaging wind gusts, along with tornadoes and maybe some hail. These are the things that can't be ruled out when you're under a slight risk for severe weather. But of course, if that changes, we'll keep you informed. But so far, this is what we've been looking at for Thursday all week. And so we're probably still going to be under this slight risk still as we head into tomorrow. So looking at the future tracker graphic, we're still going to have some more clouds building in throughout the day. Again, could start to see some showers around our area later for tonight, but especially overnight into the early morning hours. Looks like when those showers will really start to pick up and get a little bit heavier. Then by the time we get to the afternoon hours, that cold front should be right over us. And then as the cold front moves out, most of the clouds will move out, the rain will move out, and we're going to be much colder, of course, behind the front and drier as well as we head into Friday. So now looking at the expected rainfall totals, still going to be pretty much on the drier side for this morning with the southerly, southeasterly wind flow. Then some rainfall totals will start to pick up a little bit. And then as we get into early Thursday morning, they'll pick up more so. And by the time we get to the afternoon, we should be right at about half an inch of rainfall for Greenville, Clarksdale, and just a little under half an inch in some other areas, with some towns just getting little trace amounts. But again, this is what we're looking at for tomorrow. So just expect to have some heavy showers. And then as Thursday goes on, of course, those winds will shift out from the south and then become westerly, then becoming northwesterly as we head into Thursday evening. So the colder air is going to be on the way behind the front. So although we're still going to be warm for today and tomorrow, of course, the temperature will be dropping tomorrow as the front is moving in. Then Friday will only be in the 40s for the high, then the 60s for the weekend, and 70s for early next week with more rain returning. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your Wednesday.